Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, your girl, the real Princey, Princess P, Princey in our real life, you done know. Big up my real ones, you done know, say real, recognize real from the bottom of my heart and everything that I have. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for staying with me. And if this is the very first time that you are hearing my voice and tuning into my channel, thank you for coming out. Don't forget to stay with me, subscribe, comment, share, like, all of that good stuff. Do it. I'm here with a classic bottle bling bottle, bottle bling bottle, boom bottle. And I did do a personalized label for this as well. So this is after one coat of glitter. And it's my first time doing an empty bottle. You can see that you can really see through. Compared to when the bottle is full, you may not notice it as much. I haven't cleaned up any of the edges yet or done any of that, but I'm going to go through with a second coat. So it's not transparent, but I'm going to go through with a second coat so you can't see through as much and make it neat. I'm going to finish off this bottom part as well, keeping it simple on this one. This is a close-up of the label that I created and that I do make. Email therealprincey@gmail.com if you want to put that order in. Everything is emailed, nothing is mailed out. One coat of glitter on this empty Hennessy bottle with a custom label. Okay, so I'm adding the second coat, and you guys may choose to bling your whole bottle first and then add your personalized label, or if you're not doing a label, you see the back, I didn't take it off, I'm just working around it. Some people protect their label, like they put tape on it, make sure they don't get anything on it. I don't want to risk tearing it off. I know myself, I know my strengths, and I know my weaknesses. Therefore, I just work closely around it and clean up the edges after. I'm just using Mod Podge glue as well as some glitter that I got from Michael's, which is a craft store. Any glitter will do. Don't forget to save your glitter. Listen, there is no waste around here. We ain't got time for that. We ain't got money for that. Okay? While you guys are watching, keep in mind the secret word for this video is September. September is the secret word. You can no longer see through the bottle. It is pretty beautiful if you ask me. I absolutely love the black glitter. I'm interrupting your video for an important message. The real ones are on the rise, and we are just about, wait, are we at, hold on. We're at 500 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Can you guys say yes? 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You done know. Miss Tyler said done know. But if you don't know, now you know. The real ones are the realists, okay? Thank you so much from the bottom of my broken heart. I appreciate you guys so much for staying with me. But this is appreciation, gratitude, love, and thank you. Thank you so much. With this 500 comes my very first giveaway. Hey, free things. Hey, free things. So I'm giving away one of my Hennessy labels. I will make a Hennessy label for you, okay? And you can bling that bottle. You can do just a Hennessy label, personalized for whatever occasion, whatever you want. I will do that for you for free for one person. If you are able to put in the comments, comment down below the secret word in this video, okay? In this video, there's a word that's gonna come up, and you got to comment that down in the comment box below. And the very first person to do that, I will give you a Hennessy label for free. From me to you, celebrating 500 subscribers. Thank you. Stay with me. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. 500. Mama, I got 500 subscribers. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to stay with me. Stay with me. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it, do it. Thank you so much to the 500, my first 500. I'm ecstatic. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Real recognize real. You done know. Big up all my real ones. From now and forevermore. It's your girl, the real Princey. Bye.